In this video, we are going to unpack Syntus gel polish kit from Amazon, transform these nails, and I will show you two simple gel designs that anyone can recreate. Coming up. Hello guys, Anastasia here. Let's open up this box Syntus gel polish kit with the flowers on top. We can already see that we will have 22 colors, base coat and top coat, and here we have the list of ingredients, so you can pause right now if you would like to read it. That's kind of cool because you cannot see it all the time on top of the box. Some general information about the product, and yes, we're already aware that we will have 22 colors. Let's take a look inside. We have a user manual in case you would like to read on how to apply it. And the kit itself, I really like the way it's packaged. So we have a base coat and the top coat and a matte top coat, and they come in 8 milliliter bottles. By the way, the matte one is actual matte, but the colors are smaller, only 5 milliliters. There's the number as well as the color on top of the bottle, so you can see what's inside right away. Let's open it up and see the consistency. I would say it's medium, definitely not thin and not too thick as well. It is easy to apply, however, this exact color needs a 2-coat coverage, I think. As usual, I intentionally tried on the clear tips so we can see the intensity of the color. So yeah, I would probably do a 2nd coat for this one. There's another color that caught my attention as 15. This is the beautiful blue electric color. It's a little bit like jelly color, and I can already tell it's going to look great for different kind of overlays and design, and I definitely like the fact that it is a little bit transparent. As I tried more colors, I figured out that they have all kind of shades, pastel, neons, as well as glitters. Pastel, except for the yellow, are very intense, so just 1 coat needed. Neon colors are a bit transparent, so you will need 2 coats, as well as glitter colors will also need at least 2 coats. This is the entire collection. I like that they included everything there: pastel shades, nude shades, dark colors, glitter, and neons. So technically you will get a little bit of everything. Let's do the hands-on test. This is my model's hands and her outgrown overlay. I believe it's been like 3 weeks. I'm going to file it off first so we can do a new overlay and design. I think this kind of kit will be beneficial for anyone who do not need too much products, because I think we've all been there when you see some beautiful color and you're like, oh my god, I need it in my life, and then we buy it and realize we're never ever going to use the entire bottle because it's just too much. So if you need some colors just for yourself, for DIY projects, or maybe you have a few clients and you're not working full-time in a salon when you have like 5 clients a day who are asking for classic red color, I think this will be a great deal. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, guys. Do you usually purchase products in bigger volumes, in bigger jars or bottles, or do you prefer the medium or smaller ones? I'm doing nail prep, pushing back the cuticles and aponychium with the orange wood stick, and then I'm going to do dry manicure with electric nail file. After pushing up the cuticle, I gently buff the nails to get rid of the excess product as well as to take off the surface shine from the nail. This was 180 grit buffer, and then I trim aponychium and cuticles. This is my client's hand, and I'm not going to deny it, I'm jealous. I mean, she's definitely genetically blessed with beautiful long nail beds. So we're about to do the further prep. I apply dehydrator and let dry, and then I'm going to apply non-acid primer only on the free edge area. I'm not applying it on entire nail because if you do, you will not be able to soak off the overlay later. Next step will be Syntus base coat. The base coat has a medium consistency and is thick enough to build the apex of the nail. However, we are going to do a short nail, so we will not need much. Anyways, I always apply a thin coat first and cure it for 30 seconds in LED to create a better adhesion. Why do we need an apex if this is just an overlay? It's not even extensions. The thing is that most nails are flat. By building the apex, you will make them more resistible to breaks, they will look slightly different, and it will be much easier to apply the color when you have an even surface. This is how it works. First you apply a thin coat again, you do not cure it, then you take more gel and apply it on top. Let's take a look at this again. First, a thin coat. It is important to apply it along the sidewalls all the way to the free edge. Do not leave any empty spots. Make sure it's covering the entire nail. Then take a little more of the base coat, but not too much, and place this drop right in the center. Using detailer or regular brush, make sure that the surface is smooth and quickly cure it in LED for 30 seconds. Even though I applied base coat thicker than usual, as well as the top coat, well, you will see it at the end, my client didn't feel any burning sensations. I liked this color right away when I saw it. It's S22, it's black with multicolored glitter, and I said, girl, we definitely need to do one hand with this color. When applying the first coat of any dark color, make sure that you apply it as close to the cuticle as possible and that you cover all the sidewalls. Applying second coat is much easier and faster, but still make sure that it covers entirely the first coat as well, and cure in LED for 30 seconds. Another hand will have different colors, so we decided to try pastel shades. The lilac color, hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, finally, it's S number 8, is really good with just one coat. Seriously, I do not think we will need more, so I will apply just one, and also we decided to use a mint color, which is S7. I'm not planning to add some design on top of the mint nails, that's why I'm applying a second coat, but we're going to do some nail art on these ones, so one coat will be enough. I'm just doing the spots with the mint color. This is the same gel polish, and we're going to do a simple and fast cheetah design. Try to make the spots of the different size. Sometimes they're bigger, sometimes they're smaller, and they cannot be perfectly symmetrical. That just does not happen in a real life. Cure for 30 seconds, and then with the black gel polish we can outline them. The main rule for animal print design is do not try to make them all identical, because it never happens. It's okay if some line will be thick on one side and thinner on the other. Another hand with a black polish already looks gorgeous, so I didn't plan on any design at first, but then when I looked at it, I thought, oh my god, it looks like a night sky. Let's add just a couple shooting stars to make it complete, and also a few white dots. I think it looks a little better with this one. This design is also quick and simple, so this is how you do it. Just take a little more than usual gel polish on your brush, place two dots, one should be bigger, another one should be smaller, and then in different directions add the lines, so we will have a star and a few dots if you wish. And we are going to seal it with a top coat. Syntus top coat is rather thick, which I personally like, because you can also add some apex if you wish. You can cover some imperfections and the surface if it was a little bit uneven after the design. And for the cheetah nails, we decided to do matte top coat. Top coats are no wipe, so once you cure it for 30 seconds, you're ready to go. Let me know, guys, what do you think and which hand do you like more? Even though I'm definitely a pastel shades girl, this time I will probably pick the night sky one, the black one. Thank you so much for watching. The links to the products will be in the description box as usual, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye!